The question has been taken from CAT 2001 and it says that if b is a positive integer and a is equal to b square minus b, where b is greater than or equal to 4, then we have to find whether from out of which of the following a square minus 2a is divisible by. So let's start with the solution. So we have to find this about this expression, that is a square minus 2a. I can further write this as a into a minus 2. Now we have been given that the value of a as b square minus b, which again can be written as b into b minus 1. And to get the value of a minus 2, what we can do is that since it is given that a is equal to b square minus b, then what we can do is that we can subtract 2 from both the sides. So this RHS is a quadratic equation in b, which we can factorize easily by this way. So it will be b plus 1 into b minus 2. Now let's put these two values of a and a minus 2 in this expression. So a square minus 2a, which is a into a minus 2, can be written as, putting the value of a from here, it will be b into b minus 1. And from the value of a minus 2, we can put this entire expression here. So it will be b plus 1 into b minus 2. Now arranging them in increasing order, I can write this as that b minus 2 will be the smallest, and that will be followed by b minus 1, then b, and the last and the largest term will be b plus 1. Now observe that these four terms are consecutive terms, like b minus 2, then b minus 1, b, and b plus 1. So we can say that it's a product of four consecutive integers, so it must be divisible by 4 factorial or 24, which is option C.